Hello friends, a very good morning to everyone. In today's video, we are going to learn how to grow mint, that is pudina in your garden. So like coriander, mint is also one of the most important ingredient which you can put in mint chutney and some biryani and other dishes also for their taste and smell. So in today's video, we are going to see how to grow this mint in your garden. So first we are going to see how to grow this, how to spread this all over in your garden. So in the nearby nurseries, the seeds of the mint are available, or else for your use in your home, you may buy this mint, that is pudina, in the nearby shops or market. So in that shops or market, they will give them mint with this stem. So what you should do means, you should pluck off all the leaf from it, and this root part alone you should keep it inside the soil like this. I'll show you. Like this, keep it inside and cover the soil. And then water it immediately, and then water it for regularly, daily water it. Morning of mug and evening of mug, like that you can water it, or you can sprinkle water also. So within 1 week it will start growing. So the fertilizers which you can give to grow mint are for every 1 month give vermicompost, and daily also you can give Arsi Kaluna Tani, that is rice washed water. It is very good for your mint plant. And the main benefit of the mint plant is there is no pest attack in this mint plant. And the second benefit is once you keep the mint plant, it will spread all over your plant, and many new plants will also grow from the first plant. It will produce many new plants, and it will spread all over your pot like this, and you can grow mint very successfully in your garden. So usually mints, that is pudina, will grow in cool climate. So now summer has finished, now cool climates have started, and for the past 3 days it is raining heavily in Chennai. So the mints plant are growing very healthy, and the plants are also happy. So not only that, in monsoon and winter season and all, it will grow very well. In summer and all, due to the overheat of the sun, the leaf will get dried. It will get dried and get black, and it will fall down, or the plant itself will die. So in that conditions and all, what you can do means, you can grow this mint in under the sunshade like this. Under the sunshade you can grow. So near your window or your balcony, there and all, you can grow this mint. In the shade area, morning sun will only come in that area, like that area. And not only that, the next benefit in mint is, if you harvest more, it will grow more. How much you harvest, that much it will grow again and again. If you harvest more than 10 times also, more than 10 times it will grow. Like that only the speciality of the plant. So the potting mix is, there is no special potting mix for this plant and all. Just to keep in normal potting mix, red soil that you can keep, or our standard potting mix, that thing you can keep it. So the pot size for the mint is this much. Pot size will be suitable. So this size it will be suitable. This size it will be suitable. And not only that, if you want to grow mint in a large quantity, then you can keep more mint sticks, and it will spread very large, and you will get many mint plants, and you can also get a very good harvest. So these are all the main tips to grow mint, that is pudina, in your garden. Thanks friends, bye, have a nice day.